Hi, welcome back. Today's Python Turtle session is showing you a little bit more of the basics. We'll be drawing a circle and we'll be using an input prompt to give the dimensions of the circle, and then I'll be showing you how to fill the circle in. Anyway, let's get coding. So this week I'm using another Python tool called Mu, M-U. It's free to download, and I like to show you something different each week. So this week, what my goal is to show you how to draw a circle. Use an input prompt and fill a shape in. Okay, so there's my not index in. So those are my three goals for this session. So as per normal, we're always going to have to import turtle. Make sure you use a lowercase t on that. We're going to create that window in which to draw our program. wn equals turtle dot screen. Open and close bracket, and I'll put that closing one in at the bottom, which I have spelt wrong before. Let's exit on click. Open and closing brackets. Okay, I'm going to change the background color of my window to sky blue. So it's BG color. Open close bracket, and then we're going to put sky blue in brackets. Remember, you can use any color you like. Background color in sky blue. I'm just going to save that. So called circle, or part 4, isn't it? Part 4. And when I run that, up pops a window that's been colored in sky blue. So this week I'm going to call our turtle dot. So I need to create dot to begin with. So dot equals turtle dot turtle, open closing bracket, and let's just stop and run that. And in the middle you can see dot has appeared as the arrow that we've been used to seeing. I'd like to change that shape for dot, so I'm just going to use dot shape turtle, and up pops a cute little turtle. So now dot has become a turtle in shape. There's about half a dozen different shapes you can use for our turtle, ranging from square, triangle, circle, turtle, and a couple of others. Let's change the color of dot to be, that's the American spelling. Let's change dot to be yellow in color. Stop and run that. Dot now appears as yellow. Okay, this week I want to show you how to create a circle. It's actually quite easy. If I do dot circle and put a number in here, which is the radius, let's call it 50. Run that. My little turtle now draws a circle with a diameter of a radius of 50 pixels. But I want to make it so that we can ask the user to input a number on how big they want their circle to be. So the way I can do that is I'm going to create a variable. Let's do it up here. I'm going to create a variable called turtle size. Actually, let's call it dot size underscore size equals input how big radius do you want dot. Okay. Now, I know that if I just run that now, that the value that gets put into dot won't be a number. It will just be what's called a string. So it'll just be letters. So I need to tell it to turn it into a number by typing int for integer at the beginning of it, and then closing that bracket down now. And now I know that if I put a number in here, it's going to be stored in dot size as a number. And then to get dot to change that size there, in my dot circle line 16, I'm just going to replace the number in there with dot size. So whatever number I enter in here when this prompt comes up will be passed into here, and we'll draw a circle of that size. Let me demonstrate. So in the background here, I'm being asked the question. Right, let's just do our Windows left key, and then click on this one just so you can see it. Right, so what size I want dot to be? If I type 50 in there, you can see my turtle's drawing a circle with diameter 50. Let's be outrageous. What size I want dot? Let's say 300. And that's dot with a positive radius of 300. I can also enter a minus number in there as well. So I'm going to press stop and run again. And over here I'm going to put minus 200. Dot's now run off to do a circle with a radius of minus 200, because that's down the page. Okay, so I'm going to let you have a little play with that, but the other thing that's on my to-do list was to show you how to fill that shape in. Well, that's reasonably easily. I just need to add a line in above my dot circle size. So I do dot begin underscore fill, open close bracket, and that will keep the color yellow from above. Then it will draw the circle, and then add a dot end fill, open close bracket, and that will stop filling the circle in. So let's press stop and let's press run. Just move this over here. Oh, I can't move it. Okay, so let's put 200 in here. And I can obviously change the colors in here. If I change that to red, stop, run, 100. We've now got a red circle. So that's all I've got to show you for this week. Hope you've enjoyed it. And as you can see, we've got a new little thing on our, can't get this right. I can't do it. There's a subscribe button so you can subscribe to our YouTube videos here with Hampshire Libraries. See you in the next video.